Hi, my name is Paul Constantino. I am 30 years old and I'm from Los Angeles, California. I experienced thinning when I was about 15, 16 years old. I noticed that my hair started to thin a lot. It didn't completely go away, but I noticed my hair just started thinning more so, and I started losing more hair. Okay, so how did this affect my confidence in different aspects of my life? Yeah, there was a lot of things in my life that I wanted to accomplish, I wanted to do. For example, there was times where I felt like when I started losing my hair, it's kept me from going to the gym. You know, playing basketball. I really loved playing basketball growing up, and you know, the time that I started noticing my hair loss, I stopped going just because I didn't want other people seeing me without any hair. So what did I do about this problem? Honestly, I didn't do anything. I've heard of all the solutions and all the remedies of hair loss, surgeries, and I never really followed through because of all the the bad stories, all the negative stories that I hear about hair loss. I came across Joe's business, Full Micro, through a friend, and when he showed me his work, I was really intrigued. I saw the detail in the work that Joe does, and I really just appreciated the work that he's done. So why did I choose Joe? Like I said before, the reason why I really chose Joe was because, I'm from LA, he's from Vegas, and his work is out here in Vegas. And I was very hesitant on choosing Joe at first, but when I first called him, well, I reached out to Joe and he told me to call him. And when I called him and I spoke to him, he reassured me with just everything in life. He was able to share, his experiences, and I was able to see that we both had the same insecurities, and we were just able to talk, and Joe was able to reassure me, and that's when I really knew that Joe was going to be my SMP artist. I think it's going to greatly affect my life in the best possible way. There's a lot of things that I'm able to achieve now because I was just holding myself back, whether it was my confidence, my self-esteem, my self-love. Now that I have SMP and now that Joe has helped me out, I really think that I'll be able to accomplish a lot of the things in my life that I was never able to do before. I have a very low tolerance for pain, so I was really nervous and scared. I've never gotten any tattoos, but Joe was very kind and he was very gentle, and he was able to walk me through and reassure me throughout the whole process, and I felt very safe. So after my 3 sessions here at Full Micro, what can I say? I just feel more confident. I feel more energetic. I feel more energized. I feel really confident just in the way that I look. And when you look good, you feel good. And just when you feel good, everything just tends to go your way. And that's how I really feel. Like the confidence level, just the things that the SMP that Joe has given me is just everything that it brings. It really just brings me to life, I guess you could say. This procedure has really given me a lot of confidence. So in order for me to come to terms with shaving my head, I just had to realize that this situation that I'm in, me losing my hairs, it's part of my genes. It's who I was made to be. This is how I was made. But with SMP, I was able to realize that I'm just becoming a better version of myself. And with Joe's help, with Joe and his team, what they've done for me is, all they've done is they've helped me to reach the next person who I'm meant to be, to reach what I'm supposed to become.